Hello everyone, today I am sharing a powerful natural hairspray made with onion peels and aloe vera gel. This spray helps reduce hair fall, improve hair growth and keep healthy hair natural. Onion peels are rich in sulfur and antioxidant. Sulfur helps strengthen hair roots and improve the blood circulation in the scalp. And also, using onion peels can reduce the hair falls and support the new hair growth. Second ingredient is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel deeply nourishes the scalp and it helps to balance the scalp oil, reduce the dandruff and promote healthy hair growth. Aloe vera also makes a hair soft and manageable. This mixture directly applied. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and subscribe. If you try this recipe or have any questions, comments below.